is Jasmine and welcome to ImJustTechnical, where I show you everything beneficial for your YouTube and Twitch channels. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the Watchtime command for your Twitch chat. If you're interested in learning how to do this, then keep on watching. First off, you want to make sure that you go to StreamElements.com and log in with your Twitch account. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard. Once you're there, you want to click on Chatbot and go to Chat Commands. Now this one is really easy because there are certain commands that are already just a default command, so you don't have to create the command yourself, and Watchtime is one of those commands. So you want to make sure that you're on default commands and you want to scroll down until you get to Watchtime, which is right here. If you want to be able to tell whether yours is enabled or not, if it's blue like mine, then that means it's enabled and this command is ready to use for your Twitch chat. If it looks gray like the one above, then that means that is disabled and you need to turn it on. But just make sure that it looks like this, or else it won't work because it's disabled. Now we're gonna go over to our Twitch channel chat to make sure that our command works. I'm on my Twitch channel chat. So I'm just gonna come over here and type the command, which was !Watchtime. ImJustJazzmine has spent 1 day, 2 hours watching ImJustJazzmine. I haven't been watching for that long, but the command works nonetheless. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any tutorials you would like to see me do that are Twitch or YouTube related, leave a comment down below and I'll see if I can help you out by creating a video on that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Later, y'all.